Today I'm going to be working on holiday masks. I mean, you know, we're getting towards Christmas. We might as well do something fun. So this one is just going to be a 3-tree holiday mask on white. The premise is that the white is the snowy background, and it is a filter pocket mask just like any other, but first I'm going to sew my trees on, and then I'm going to get to the point where I'm sewing the mask just as normal. So it's a little bit of an extra step here. Sew the trees on and then make the mask. I have many other videos in which I have made the mask. So in this case, I'm just showing you how to sew the trees on, right? Or just getting started with making your holiday mask. So basically, I took a bunch of materials that I had in excess, right, and stored away, and I cut them into tree shapes. And it's a very easy thing to cut a tree shape, if you're looking for this kind of tree anyway. You just fold a little piece of the felt or fabric, in this case it's a sort of a fleece, in two, and then you just do clip and clip and clip and clip and clip, and then you got a tree. After we have this tree, I may decide what else to do with it. Am I going to add ornaments, or am I just going to leave it a forest scene? I might leave this one as just a forest scene, but the next one I might add ornaments, and at some point I may add little twinkly lights. So basically, this is it. This is the video. Under 2 minutes. Hooray. Mask making video. Here it is, all sewn. Super cute, super cute, super cute, super cute. And then now I'm going to make the mask.